Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing health benefits of guava leaf tea. This natural remedy, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and powerful compounds, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. We're going to break down 10 science-backed benefits of incorporating guava leaf tea into your daily routine. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how this incredible tea can improve your well-being. A strong immune system is your best defense. Guava leaves are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C rallies your body's defense team to fight off infections. Guava leaves also contain other antioxidants that protect your cells. Studies show guava leaf extract enhances immune cell activity. For a natural immune boost, try guava leaf tea. Adding this tea to your routine can help you stay healthy. Now, let's talk about weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health. Guava leaf tea can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. It inhibits the conversion of complex carbohydrates into sugars. This means fewer calories absorbed, making weight management easier. Guava leaf tea also helps you feel fuller longer, reducing cravings. It's like having a secret weapon against snack attacks. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is essential for a healthy heart and cardiovascular system. High cholesterol can lead to a buildup of plaque in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. But don't worry, guava leaf tea is here to help. Studies have shown that regular consumption of guava leaf tea can help lower bad cholesterol levels, or LDL, while increasing good cholesterol levels, or HDL. Think of it this way. LDL cholesterol is like sludge that clogs up your arteries, while HDL cholesterol is like a garbage truck that removes that sludge, keeping your arteries clear and healthy. Guava leaf tea works its magic by interfering with the production of LDL cholesterol in the liver, effectively reducing the amount of bad cholesterol circulating in your bloodstream. So by incorporating guava leaf tea into your diet, you can naturally support healthy cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart problems. Chapter 4. Guava leaf tea and diabetes management. Managing blood sugar is crucial for diabetes. Guava leaf tea can help. Studies show it has anti-diabetic properties. It slows sugar absorption in the gut. This prevents blood sugar spikes. It may also improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose. Add guava leaf tea to your routine for better blood sugar control. Chapter 5. Soothe your stomach with guava leaf tea. Let's be real, digestive issues are never fun. Whether it's diarrhea, constipation, or an upset stomach, these digestive discomforts can really put a damper on your day. The good news is that guava leaf tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various digestive ailments. Its potent antibacterial properties help fight off harmful bacteria that can cause diarrhea and other digestive infections. But wait, there's more. Guava leaf tea also contains compounds that have a soothing effect on the digestive tract, relieving symptoms like bloating, cramping, and abdominal pain. If you're struggling with constipation, guava leaf tea can help get things moving again thanks to its mild laxative effect. So next time your stomach is feeling a little off, reach for a cup of soothing guava leaf tea and experience its natural digestive benefits. Chapter 6. Fight inflammation. Naturally. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight off infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. The good news is that guava leaf tea contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. These compounds work by blocking the activity of certain enzymes that trigger inflammation, effectively putting the brakes on excessive inflammatory responses. Studies have shown that guava leaf extract can be particularly effective in reducing inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, IBS, and even certain types of cancer. So, if you're looking for a natural way to combat inflammation and protect your health, consider adding guava leaf tea to your daily routine. Chapter 7. A Happy Heart with Guava Leaf Tea. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life. Guava leaf tea, with its impressive array of health benefits, can play a significant role in supporting cardiovascular health. One of the key ways guava leaf tea promotes heart health is by improving blood circulation. It does this by relaxing blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily, and reducing strain on the heart. But that's not all. Guava leaf tea also helps regulate blood pressure, another crucial factor in maintaining a healthy heart. High blood pressure puts extra stress on your heart and arteries, increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. And remember those cholesterol-lowering benefits we talked about earlier? Those also contribute to a healthier heart by reducing the buildup of plaque in your arteries. So, by incorporating guava leaf tea into your diet, you can give your heart the love and support it deserves. Chapter 8. Unlock Radiant Skin with Guava Leaf Tea. When it comes to achieving healthy, radiant skin, guava leaf tea can be a game-changer. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and other skin-loving compounds, this natural elixir can work wonders for your complexion. One of the key ways guava leaf tea enhances skin health is by fighting oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, and it can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Guava leaf tea's potent antioxidants neutralize those harmful free radicals, protecting your skin from damage and premature aging. But wait! There's more. Guava leaf tea also possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective natural remedy for acne and other inflammatory skin conditions. So, if you're looking for a natural way to achieve a healthy, youthful glow, consider adding guava leaf tea to your skincare routine. Chapter 9. Guava leaf tea and cancer. What you need to know. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that guava leaf tea may have potential cancer-fighting properties. Guava leaves contain various bioactive compounds, including lycopene, quercetin, and other potent antioxidants that have been shown to exhibit anti-cancer activity in laboratory and animal studies. These compounds work by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, effectively putting the brakes on tumor development. While guava leaf tea should not be considered a replacement for conventional cancer treatments, it may offer a complementary approach to supporting overall health and well-being during cancer treatment. As always, it's crucial to consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or treatment plan. Chapter 10. Find your Zen with guava leaf tea. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to manage stress and anxiety is more important than ever. And guess what? Guava leaf tea can be your secret weapon in the fight against stress. Guava leaf tea contains natural compounds that have calming and relaxing effects on the body and mind. Sipping on a warm cup of guava leaf tea can create a sense of tranquility and peace, helping to melt away stress and tension. Imagine yourself curled up on the couch with a steaming mug of guava leaf tea, the aroma filling your senses and your worries slowly drifting away. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just need a moment of calm, guava leaf tea can be your go-to natural stress reliever. Outro, embrace the power of guava leaf tea. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Incorporating guava leaf tea into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards improving your overall health and well-being. From boosting your immune system to promoting radiant skin and even potentially fighting cancer, the benefits of guava leaf tea are truly remarkable. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. See you next time.